A simple example that we can do is say 1 minus 3 is equal to what? Start point is 1. On the scale you have 1. Minus 3, you go down 3. 1, 2, 3. Where do you end? Minus 2. Okay? What about another one? 2 minus 5 equals, end up with, you start with 2, and where do we end up? We minus 5. Minus 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've gone down 5 because we're minusing, and you end up at minus 3. Okay? What if you start at a negative number? Say minus 5 plus 2 equals what? So start point is minus 5. Minus 5, down there. Plus 2 means you're going up 2. 1, 2. You end up at minus 3. Okay, what if we put 3 in a row? Minus 5 plus 6 minus 2. What about something like that? Minus 5 plus 6 minus 2. So you're going to start at minus 5, you're going to go up 6, and then you're going to go down 2. Okay. There are two ways we can do this. We can go one at a time, or we can simplify it. So we can take these two, make it just one number, and then start at 5 and move according to that answer. But we'll go one number at a time, okay? In this example, minus 5 plus 6. So it's 5 under the 0 point. So if you move up 5, you'll end up at the 0 point. So minus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See? Because minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 0. But you still got to go up one more. So you end up at 1. But then you minus 2. So you go back down 2. 1, 2, minus 1. Last example. Okay, what if you start at minus 3 minus 2 plus 7. So start at minus 3, then you minus 2, so you go down, minus, take away, go down, dig the hole, okay? Minus 2, 1, 2. So after this, you end up at minus 5. And then we plus 7. So 7 is made up of 5 and 2, right? So first you go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you're at the 0 point. And you've got another 2 to go up. 1, 2. Now you've gone up 7 and you ended up at 2. Make sense? What if the scale was not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but every point as you went up was marked in 10? So you're going up, every mark is a 10, right? Additional 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And maybe in your mind you can think there some marks in between, some smaller ones that we haven't marked over here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we see the 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, up to 19, and then we see the 20, and so on. Same thing going downwards. So here the numbers get bigger as we move away from 0 upwards, and the numbers get bigger but with a negative sign when we move down away from 0, when we get into more negative territory, when the hole gets deeper. Okay, so minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, minus 40, minus 50. Let's just run through a few examples so you get used to the idea that even if it's in ones, in groups of 5, in tens, that the scale still works. Okay. Say you have 20 minus 50. 20 minus 50. So what's your start point? 20. So you're up here 20. You're minusing 50. So you're going down 50. And this is in tens, right? Like we said before. So down 50. So down five marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where do you end up? Minus 30. Right? Okay, let's do another example. Say 10 minus 30 equals, start point is 10, minus 30, so you're going down 30, so you're going down 1, 2, 3 marks, so 30, you went down 10, 20, 30, right? And you end up at minus 20. So 10 minus 30, minus 10, minus 20, minus 30, you end up at minus 20, or negative 20. Same thing. What about if we start on the bottom end of the scale, below 0, with a negative number? Okay, minus 50 plus 20 equals, so you minus 50 plus, you're going up 20. So this is 10, this is 20, right? So minus 50 plus 20, 20. You end up at minus 30. Do another one. Minus 10 plus 30 equals, start point is minus 10, the mark, negative 10 there, plus 30, you're going up 30, 10, 20, 30, end up at 20. You want to prove this one, say you want to check this particular one, just look for this negative number, minus 10. Like I said, this is an equation. Whatever you do on this side of the equal sign, you do on this side of the equal sign, the equation remains true. And so, say I want to make this, take this 10 away. How can I take it away? Plus 10, because minus 10 plus 10 equals 0, right? So plus 10 here, which means I must plus 10 on this side. So let's write it down. Minus 10 plus 10, just put it in the middle, and then this. So minus 10 is here, I have plus 10 here, and plus 30 is still here. So everything on the top I brought down here, except I've added this plus 10. Okay, 20 plus 10. I've done the plus 10 on both sides. Now, this one, minus 10 plus 10, is equal to 0. So I'm not now just left with 0 plus 30 equals 30, right? So 30 and 20 plus 10. 20 plus 10 is 30. So that answer is correct. 30 is equal to 30. That proves that the solution was correct because this equation proves to be true. Okay. Thank you. I hope that was useful.